Good Saturday morning, boys and girls. So today I'm gonna go look at a couple cars actually. There's two Mini Cooper S's. Price is right, mileage is pretty good. Take you with me, and chances are I will buy one of them. Even got a good shirt on today, look. I ironed it and everything. No big deal. All right, so let's head on over to the first dealership. All right, here's the first one I'm looking at. 2010 S, got like 45,000 miles on it. Sunroof, leather, standard. It looks really clean, and they want just under 7 for it, which is pretty crazy. I'm actually okay just paying that, assuming it all looks. All right, so driving this thing is totally different than driving a Corvette. The clutch travel, it feels like it's 2 feet long, but it's not bad. It's a very solid little car. I like it. It's surprisingly quick. I don't have this on my little headset, so I can't get too crazy with you guys. But yeah, it's a fun little car. I'm liking it so far. All right, well that was quick and dirty. I think it's the fastest I've ever bought a car. The red car, I talked to Callie. It didn't have a sunroof or leather seats, so she squashed that. But she let me buy dumb shit, so that's okay. I love you. But yeah, I got it. Only one key though, but that's okay. 2010 Mini Cooper S. After all said and done, 7,200 bucks. That's with tags and processing fees. So a really good deal. It's got 45,000 miles on it. Ironically, when I was here doing paperwork, a guy came in and asked about my car. He wanted to buy it. That was pretty funny. And two people were trying to buy the Mini after I signed paperwork. So I feel like it's a good buy. So I'm gonna go home and then have someone drive me back tonight to pick it up. So it's gonna stay there a little bit. I'm not gonna leave my Corvette here. And then I should have a mod for this car in the mail today. And a video will be up tomorrow on that. That should be kind of a fun video. So this is a quick little video to show you guys what's on the channel now, a little Mini Cooper S. Pretty excited about it. I don't know what I'm gonna do to it. The responsible part of me is like, no, just keep it a daily driver. The other part of me is like, send it and get full bolt-ons. So we'll see. But I got something economical, I guess, to drive. So, all right, guys, go enjoy the rest of your day.